Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best telescoping magnetic pickup tool on the market, the Koopool telescoping magnetic pickup tool set. This isn't just another workshop gadget. It's a 5-piece kit designed for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who loves practical, clever tools that make tough jobs easier. Let's start with what makes this set so impressive. The first thing you'll notice is the powerful magnet. It's strong enough to lift up to 5 pounds, making it perfect for retrieving screws, bolts, or even small tools that roll under your workbench or drop into tight engine spaces. Whether you're fixing a car, assembling furniture, or working in HVAC or construction, this magnet saves time and frustration. Just extend the handle and watch it grab what your fingers can't reach. Speaking of reach, the telescoping handle is a standout feature. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it extends up to nearly 35 inches. It's shockproof and has an oil-resistant, anti-slip coating that ensures a firm, comfortable grip. The ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver even in awkward spaces, and the handle retracts smoothly for compact storage when you're done. Now, let's talk about illumination. The LED flashlight built into this set isn't an afterthought, it's genuinely useful. With 3 super bright LED bulbs, you can light up dark corners, engine compartments, or crawl spaces. The magnetic head and base mean it can attach to metal surfaces, freeing your hands for work. It even has a 360-degree swivel neck, so you can angle the light exactly where you need it. It's one of those features that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Included in the set are 2 inspection mirrors, one round and one square. Both are made with premium quality glass for a clear, undistorted reflection. They attach to ball joints that rotate freely in any direction, giving you a full 360 degrees of adjustability. The square mirror even includes LED lights to brighten dark inspection areas, making it ideal for checking behind engines, inside machinery, or under furniture. These mirrors are small details that make a big difference for precision work. To keep everything organized, Koopool includes a compact yet durable tool bag. It's made from tough Oxford cloth that resists wear and tear. Inside, elastic bands keep each tool in its place, while an external pocket with hook and loop fasteners provides extra storage for small accessories. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and helps you keep your tools ready to go, whether you're at home, in the garage, or on the job site. In short, this isn't just a pickup tool. It's a complete inspection and retrieval system. Every part of this kit is designed for convenience, strength, and usability. The combination of a magnetic pickup stick, telescoping handle, LED flashlight, and inspection mirrors makes it one of the most versatile sets you can own. It's the kind of product that solves everyday problems you didn't realize had an easy fix. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift, this set is a winner. It's practical, cool, and genuinely useful for dads, husbands, boyfriends, or even young tinkerers who love exploring how things work. The Koopool telescoping magnetic pickup tool set proves that a great gadget doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. It just needs to work perfectly when you need it most. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more hands-on product insights. See you in the next video.